Good morning, my dear students. In today's session, that happens to be um, the last session before we go for the preparatory leave for your periodic tests 1. So we decided that we have done literature in plenty. So we will be going to pick up today one of the long compositions in the form of letters, and something that you have already been doing since your class 9th and 10th. So you know that there are two kinds of letters, formal letters and informal letters, but in class 12th basically we are looking into formal letters and business letters. So here in formal letters, most importantly today, my focus for you all is going to be on letter to the editor, which I know you already have a good knowledge about, but then as they say, just the way you don't remember how to write a notice, and even though when you've been taught notices for such a long time, but still there is always some error or the other. So today's class is going to focus on letter to the editor under the category of formal letters. So let's have a look here. Okay, see, letter writing is an important activity. Though these days people are not writing letters, but then it is important to understand, my dear children, that why are letters important. Today, no matter that we are in the times of email writing and this and that, but any kind of judicial or government work that is done, it is done on papers, and it is done in the form of letters. Okay, so see, as it says here, letters have their own advantages. They keep a record of our messages and information. The most important thing happens when you write a letter, and that too a formal letter. A proper proof, a proper record of it is maintained. Okay, and they can also be used to advise someone or to complain against someone. So yes, you know that even in the days of advancement, and even in the days when there is so much of technology and we are writing emails and this and that, but still letter writing cannot be ignored at all, because at some point of time in your life you are supposed to write a letter. It could be a letter, it could be an application, it could be a complaint, it could be anything, and for that CBSE wants its students to be prepared. So see, there are two kinds of letters. Formal letters, these letters include business letters, which you will be doing, letters to various government and non-government authorities, job applications, and letters to editor of a newspaper. So today our focus is going to be on letter to the editor of a newspaper, that is what we call letter to editor. Now in your board exams, the weightage of a formal letter is of 8 marks. Okay, and how are these 8 marks divided? 1 mark is for the format, this format which I will just explain to you. Okay, 4 marks are for the content. In that content, whatever the major chunk of the question that you are talking about, and 3 marks are for your language accuracy, your expression, and other grammatical things. So 1 plus 4 and 3. So 8 marks this letter would be carrying in your board exams. Okay, so what are informal letters? Of course, informal letters are not part of your syllabus, so but still these are letters which we write to our relatives and friends. In formal letter, the tone and style are quite impersonal, formal with lot of formalities. So the tone and style of writing are quite impersonal, nothing personal. Whereas in informal letters, the tone and style are personal and intimate, or at least formal. See, there is a lot of difference when you write a letter to your friend and when you write a letter to an editor, or you write a letter to a government office or to anybody. That is what we need to bear in mind. Now I am giving you an overview of the format of a formal letter. See, this is something which you have done over and over again, but still I am giving you this video to please bear in mind, and please make this format in your language registers. I am giving you a nice long shot of this, and also I'll provide you with a PDF which will have the details. So the first thing first that you need to know, we stick to this side of the margin and the register. बिल्कुल margin से मिला करके लिखेंगे. You will not go anywhere towards this side. Only this is how the letter should look like. The only thing that is going horizontally is the body of the letter. The format goes straight from top to bottom. First thing first, you have the sender's address. Please remember, the addresses have to be in 3 lines, not more than that. So sender's address, for example, 14 Model Town, Panipat, it could have been in 3 lines, not more than that. After that, you will leave a line. So this, you see this gap is for leaving a line. And in your registers, I would suggest that you please stick to the margin, which is extremely important. So for example, let's say I have a register here. This is your margin. तो जो भी हम लिख रहे हैं बिल्कुल मार्जिन से मिला के लिखेंगे. थोड़ा सा भी गैप नहीं रखना है हमको मार्जिन और अपनी लाइन के बीच में. जस्ट स्टिक टू द मार्जिन एंड दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू गो. ओके, so now I will be discussing the format with you. So first things first, the sender's address, which is mostly given in the letter, in the question. 3 lines, leave a line, you will put the date. Now children, this date is just to give you the format. आप डेट लिख कर डेट नहीं लिखेंगे. No, you will simply write the date, and here in the format it is 14th May, let's say 2020. Okay, you will not write like this, okay, 14th. No, this is wrong. You will not write, for example, 23rd. This is wrong. No. अगर आपको ये RD और TH लिखना है तो फिर ये बिल्कुल पैरेलल आना चाहिए. And if you don't write it, it's absolutely fine, no problems. So 14th May 2020 पूरा प्रॉपर तरीके से आप डेट लिखेंगे. I would advise you to please stick to one way of writing the date. न्यूमेरिक में मत डालो कि 14/5/2020. नो, उसको पूरा मंथ में प्रॉपर डालो. Again you will leave a line. Then comes the receiver's address, and please remember children, 3 lines. अब क्योंकि ये letter to the editor है, so you will write the editor. हम to the editor नहीं लिखते हैं, ये गलत होता है. Okay, simply the editor, the Tribune, which could be the newspaper, and Chandigarh. अब जब न्यूज़पेपर की बात आती है तो क्वेश्चन पेपर में कभी कभी लिखा होता है लोकल डेली या नेशनल डेली. So what do you mean by local daily? Local daily means a local newspaper that comes daily. आपको उसमें नाम डालना होगा. For example, दैनिक जागरण, अमर उजाला, etc. National daily means a national newspaper that comes daily. For example, Hindustan Times, Indian Express, The Hindu, Indian, whatever. Okay? Again you will leave a line and you will write sir. Salutation हो गया ये, ठीक है? Again leave a line, you will write the subject, and the subject is very clearly given to you in the question. अभी मैं discuss करूँगी कोई questions आपके साथ. I will tell you how to do it. And then, my dear children, we have the place for content. And the content I have written here very clearly. It needs to go in 3 paragraphs. 3 पैराग्राफ हमको देने हैं अपने कंटेंट में. हर पैराग्राफ के बाद हमको लाइन छोड़नी है. लीव लाइन आफ्टर ईच पैराग्राफ एंड स्टार्ट फ्रेश पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम द मार्जिन. सब कुछ मार्जिन से चलेगा. ओके, डोंट लीव एनी स्पेस. So 3 paragraphs, leave a line, start fresh paragraph from the margin, and then your complimentary signature and name. So you will write yours truly, and please dear children, truly की spelling TRUELY नहीं होती, it's TRULY. So bear this in mind. Yours truly and your name. So a very simple format here. Have an overview of it. These are the things we want, and this is how we want them. So you are sticking to the margin and not going anywhere. एक चीज horizontally जा रही है बस, and that is your body of the letter, nothing else. बाकी सब कुछ एकदम ऐसे, एकदम सुंदर, बिल्कुल प्रेजेंटेबल, ब्यूटीफुल, ताकि जब एग्जामिनर आपकी कॉपी चेक करे तो एक भी चीज पे रेड पेन ना लगा पाए और आपको ये सब करने का पूरा 1 मार्क मिले इधर. So the format is pretty important. Okay, children? So this is about the format of formal letter, which you know, and you are putting this format in your FAIR registers. And now I'm going to discuss with you certain examples of letters to the editor. So here I have one. In a bid to educate people about the harmful effects of cigarette smoking, the government of India has been taking serious steps to prevent it. A few years ago, it ordered all the cigarette manufacturing units to insert a statutory warning on cigarette packs. Statutory warning क्या होता है? Cigarette causes cancer, it kills, etc. Now it is considering censorship of all cigarette smoking scenes in Indian cinema. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily. देखो आ गया national daily, giving your own views. तो फॉर्मेट की तरफ चलें. हमको क्या बोलना है? We have to talk about, we have to give our views on considering the censorship of all cigarette smoking scenes in Indian cinema. कि Indian cinema में cigarette smoking scenes को बिल्कुल बैन कर दिया जाए. इस पे हमको अपने views देने, and it had come in the 2006 board exam. Now, this question has not given you any address, any name, any detail. So, we are free to choose our own. So, 14 Kabir Park, Ranchi is the address. 3rd June 2020. The editor as it is, The Hindustan Times. National Daily था. तो एक national newspaper जो रोज आता है. National Daily नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? The Hindustan Times, Ranchi. Leave a line. Sir, subject harmful effects of cigarette smoking. Quite simple. ठीक. अब how are we starting it? Through the columns of your popular daily, I would like to express my views on the problems of growing trend of smoking in our country. ये हो गया बेटा पहला पैराग्राफ, इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइन. ठीक. अब बिकॉज इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइन की बात हो रही है, so I would like to give you some useful expressions. ठीक. To begin a letter. अब इंक्वायरी लेटर नहीं है, ये कंप्लेंट लेटर नहीं है, एडवाइस नहीं है, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं है. ठीक है. तो but this is more like advice that what you want to sing. So I would be a good idea, yeah, I would like to suggest. So these are certain useful expressions. I will send them to you. Letter conclude कैसे कर सकते हैं? Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much. Convey my regards to. Love to you all. In case it's an informal letter. ठीक. जॉब एप्लीकेशन अभी आपने नहीं करी है तो इसको देख के कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे दे हैव गिवन अस सैल्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज. कैसे कर सकते हैं? रिलेशनशिप वाइज दिया है. अगर फैमिली मेंबर्स को लेटर जा रहा है तो आप ये लिख सकते हो. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज कैसे करोगे? योर्स अफेक्शनेटली या अफेक्शनेटली योर्स. फैमिली मेंबर्स में आप लेटर लिख रहे हो किसी को हु इज यंगर देन यू, तो आप लिख सकते हो माय डियर, और ऐसे उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स को भेज रहे हो तो ऐसे ऐसे. अक्वेंटेंसेस को भेज रहे हो, एक्वेंटेंस मतलब जान पहचान वाले लोग, पीपल हु यू नो, whom you know, ऐसा एंड ऐसा. देन स्ट्रेंजर्स, people you don't know. So dear sir and madam. Now here we fall in the category of formal letters. Okay? Strangers, business persons, officials, principal, teachers and editors. Dear sir, madam, yours truly. Business person, officials, sir, yours truly, yours faithfully. Principal and teachers, sir oblique madam, yours obediently, yours faithfully. And editors ko, sir and yours truly. So this is what they have given you here. Okay children? And these are some useful expressions that you can begin your letter with. How to start your letter. So now we will see how has this letter begun. तो through the columns of your popular daily. तो एक लाइन हम आपको हमेशा कराते हैं ना कि through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the masses towards the burning topic of, और फिर सब्जेक्ट की लाइन लिख लेते हैं. This you have been taught several times in 11th and 10th. But of course here the introductory lines are different. So it says, through the columns of your popular daily, I would like to express my views on the problem of growing trend of smoking in our country. There is no doubt. See, अब एक लाइन छोड़ दिया, second paragraph begins और paragraph बिल्कुल corner से start हो रहा है. And see, बिल्कुल straight. Look at the alignment. Right straight. That is how you will keep it, okay? There is no doubt that smoking is extremely harmful to health. Medical experts have confirmed about from various surveys and analysis that smoking is responsible for many fatal ailments. Asthma, lung cancer, blood pressure, heart diseases are most common among smokers. Moreover, smoking pollutes the air and is a drain on one's pocket. Matlab drain on one's pocket, it is not something that is very cheap, it's expensive. So it's an additional expense. Second paragraph done. Now the third paragraph. Again here right from the beginning. A few years ago, the Government of India rightly ordered all cigarette manufacturing units to insert a statutory warning on cigarette packs. It did not have the desired effect. Now the government is seriously considering censorship of all cigarette smoking scenes in Indian cinema. It may have the desired effect as most of the youngsters ape matlab copy, film stars, whether they ride fast-driven motorbikes or smoke cigarettes in style. With the ban on smoking in public places, buses and trains, one should expect that smoking will have effect on the environment. The government should take stringent measures against those who violate laws about smoking. What is, however, important is that people themselves should give up smoking for their own good. So, yours truly, and you can write ABC because your name is not given in the question. So, a simple question wherein you had to speak about the harmful effects of cigarette smoking. Let's see another one. As a regular commuter by bus from Noida to Delhi, regular commuter matlab when you travel daily up and down. As a regular commuter by bus from Noida to Delhi, you have been witnessing rash driving by the bus drivers. That means हम rash driving पे लिखने वाले हैं. Bus drivers daily without an exception. Write a letter to the editor, The Times of India, drawing the attention of the General Manager, Delhi Transport Corporation to this problem. Receiver's address मिल गया है हमको, okay? और हमको sender's address भी मिल गया है. You are Preeti / Prakash, 15 Udyog Nagar, Noida. Let's begin. So sender's address, 15 Udyog Nagar, Noida. Date, leave a line. The editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. Sir, leave a line. Subject, rash driving by bus drivers. Kindly publish these lines in your esteemed columns against the reckless and rash driving by the bus drivers in our town. Introductory para done. Next paragraph. I am a regular commuter by bus from Noida to Delhi, so I have to experience this rash driving daily. Without exception, the drivers drive their buses so recklessly that the passengers have to keep holding their breath till they get down at their destination. While traveling in a bus, one feels so uncomfortable and insecure that he heaves a sigh of relief when his destination comes. The passengers feel that without any fault on their part, they have to go through this ordeal. ये प्रॉब्लम बता दी पूरी कि इतनी रैश ड्राइविंग होती है that the passengers are so comfortable and they take a breath of relief जब उनका destination आ जाता है. Sir, through your widely read newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the General Manager, Delhi Transport, to this problem. I hope that the General Manager, in the interest of public safety, would definitely take necessary action and try to check this reckless driving. Yours faithfully, Prakash. Now see children, here was a twist. We had to write to the editor of Times of India और उसके थ्रू किसका अटेंशन सीख करना था हमको? जनरल मैनेजर दिल्ली ट्रांसपोर्ट. दैट मीन्स दिस लेटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू द जीएम. दिस लेटर इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू द एडिटर ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, एंड इन दिस लेटर, through this letter, we are drawing the attention of the GM of the Delhi Transport. Okay? So, yours faithfully, Prakash. Complimentary closure and your name. Let's see one more question. Roadside vendors occupy most of the space on roads, disturbing the flow of traffic and causing difficulties even to the pedestrians. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily. National daily matlab national newspaper that comes daily, expressing your views and suggesting ways and means to curb this problem. क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू इट. रोड साइड वेंडर्स, सड़क के आसपास दोनों साइड जो आपके ये पुश कार्ट्स लगा के खड़े होते हैं ना, ठेला लगा के, सब्जी वाले, फ्रूट वाले, इनकी वजह से बहुत ट्रैफिक जैम होता है. So we have to give ways and means to curb this problem. You are Rohit oblique Rachna, 15 Navkuch Apartments, Delhi. So you have the address, sender's address, date, the editor, National Daily kya dal diya, The Hindu, New Delhi. Salutation, leave a line, subject, roadside encroachment by vendors. Let me express my concern about roadside encroachments in our cities through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. This is how the letter was started. Let's see here. Roadside encroachment by shopkeepers in our cities is common. Roadside or pavements are meant for pedestrians. Who are pedestrians? People walking on the road. But they are generally blocked by various types of goods and material. Those who deal in bricks, sand, stone, marble, iron and other building material use the pavement as extensions of their shops or showrooms. Okay? By encroaching upon the public land, they create many problems and difficulties for others. Second paragraph, kind of over. The building material like sand and small stones pollutes the atmosphere around. When strong winds blow, the small particles of such material mix with air, causing a lot of allergies and eye problems. In the monsoon, such material mixes with water, leading to many stomach problems. Sometimes the building material on the pavement results in grave accidents. People, unwary of such material, slip and fall, resulting in injuries. There have been cases of accidents involving cars and motorbikes simply because the material lying on the pavement blocks the view. The municipal authorities need to take urgent steps against pavement encroachers. They should confiscate मतलब अपने अंडर ले लें सारा material. They should confiscate the material lying on the roadsides besides imposing heavy fine as a deterrent. Yours faithfully, Rohit. Another question talks about mosquito menace. बहुत मच्छर हो गए हैं due to stagnant water in your locality. आपकी locality में stagnant water है, as a result मच्छर हो गए हैं. Give suggestions to improve situation. Now please understand, editor is not going to do anything about your problems. एडिटर वहां से ना तो पानी हटाएगा, ना यहाँ पेवमेंट पे से ट्रैफिक हटाएगा, ना सिगरेट बैन के लिए कुछ करेगा. नो, एडिटर विल ओनली डू वन थिंग. ही विल पुट एन आर्टिकल अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम एंड ट्राई टू कैप्चर द अटेंशन ऑफ द अथॉरिटीज. तो प्लीज नेवर डू दिस मिस्टेक कि एडिटर से कहने लगे कि भाई ये कर दो, ये कर दो. नो, एडिटर कांट डू एनीथिंग. ऑल ही इज गोइंग टू डू इज दैट ही इज गोइंग टू प्रिंट एन आर्टिकल ऑन द सेम. You are Renu, living in Rajaji Nagar, Tirunelveli. It came in 2010. So 14 Rajaji Nagar, Tirunelveli. The date, the editor, Hindu Chennai. Salutation, subject, complaint about the mosquito menace. I shall be thankful to you if you allow me to express my opinion about the mosquito menace in our locality. After the heavy rains, the water stagnates in drains and narrow lanes of our locality. Mosquitoes breed over the stagnant water. Stagnant beta रुका हुआ पानी, जमा हुआ पानी, ठहरा हुआ पानी. They spread several diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. The residents lead a miserable life as the passage from one street to other is blocked and the movement of the people is curtailed. Curtailed मतलब खत्म हो जाना. The roads in this locality are full of potholes, gadde, and big ditches, which allows stagnation of water. ठीक? Thus, mosquitoes breed over them. Mosquito breeding हो रही है उनमें. The roads in our locality have not been repaired for the last 3 years. Thus, the potholes become a breeding ground for the mosquitoes. The residents have to face the mosquito menace. People live under the fear of dengue, a dangerous disease. I therefore request the concerned authorities. देखो यहाँ पे request हो रही है concerned authorities को, editor को request नहीं हो रही है. I therefore request the concerned authorities to repair the street lanes and roads immediately so that the mosquitoes do not breed over stagnant water. The street drains should be repaired so that water flows out. Chemicals should be sprinkled at various spots to check the breeding of mosquitoes. ये आपने सारे ways and measures दिए कि कैसे इस problem का solution निकालें, जो इस तरीके के letter में बहुत important है. I hope that immediate and effective steps will be taken to solve the problem. Yours faithfully, Raman/Renu. So this, my dear students, we have discussed 3-4 samples of letters to the editor. And again I am saying, please bear one thing in mind, that editor is not going to do anything. You have to give your own solutions, you have to give your own measures and suggestions, and all you will be doing is, catching the attention, grabbing the attention of the authorities. So this was about it in today's video about formal letters. I am sending you now the PDF, other details, practice questions, solved samples will be given to you that need to be done in the copy. You need to make this detailed format, and also you need to do 3 more practice questions, unsolved ones, on your own. And my dear students, I am telling you, please complete your work, your notebooks. I need to see each one of you. You know that we are very strictly doing a follow-up. So any of you who has not been doing the work, who is not completing the notebooks, will be taken to charge, and I will be straight away talking to your parents. So I want you to understand once again the format of formal letters, and in formal letters we are particularly talking about letter to the editor in this video. So complete your work, and I hope that on the 13th we should be seeing your parents and discussing further things. I have also floated the syllabus for your PT1. In case there is any query, any doubt, please feel free to get in touch with me. Alright children, please take care and stay safe. Thank you.